a lot of you have been asking about Mary and Martha lately. And like I said before, if you're new, you're probably like, what is Mary and Martha? But this is the time of year where obviously all you guys start asking about it because you have literally started asking about it this week. But Mary and Martha is a Hallmark sister company that focuses on faith-based home decor, gifts, kids, books, journals, devotionals. You know Hallmark. Hallmark has everything. This is just their faith-based line. And they're also doing a collaboration this year with Candace Bure, obviously, since she's like Miss Hallmark when it comes to Christmas. And I just got some stuff in, so I figured I would open it with you guys. For those of you who have asked to see a few things, mainly the big question I keep getting is about the throw. So this is going to be my first time to actually see the throw. And then the baskets. I am very excited to see the baskets because, as you know, if you don't know, you do know now, I love baskets. Just because I hate clutter, and honestly, if I have a hole for the kids to put all their stuff, then I'm very happy with that. Okay, so here is the basket that I'm talking about. You can see that it is hand weaved, and it has some faux leather detailing on it. Where do I open it? My question was, how big is it? Is it something that you could put toys in? Oh my gosh, yes it is. Okay, so if you see this all over my house from here on out, you know why. Oh, that's huge. This is awesome. Look at that. I mean, I'm a small person anyway, but... So, what we can do with this is test. I have some toys in here we can test and see. But this would just be really cute. You know, you'll see what I do with it. I always have baskets kind of next to the TV areas for the kids to put their stuff in. You know, we have a 2-story house. So, of course, their playroom and everything is upstairs. But how often do they play upstairs? Like, probably 10% of the time. So, having something downstairs to just throw their stuff in so I'm not having to haul it back up is actually really, really good. And this is new. It's a cute little, look at it. It's like, it's a little fruit set. Aww. It says faithfulness. So this is really something I really liked. A lot of people are having babies, it seems like, this year. So I thought this would be really cute, you know, for a little new one. And even so, I can see Jackson playing with this. But this is something, like, they can sleep with it, they can play with it, they can put it in the basket, do all the things. Fruit of the Spirit. Oh, look, and it comes with a card. Oh, and it has a prayer on the back. So you can talk to them about fruit of the Spirit and then also maybe even tell them why fruit is good for them. I don't know. I just thought it was cute. And to compare, it's gone. So that's where that's going to go, if you guys ever wonder. I did get a new pillow in. Ella got highlighter on mine somehow. I'm not sure. So you've probably seen this in some of my Instagram photos. I'll put a photo here so you can see what I'm talking about. But I love this. It's really good quality, and then it has tassels on the side. And also, the throw that you guys have been talking about that just came out this season matches this pillow. So let's see if I can get it open. My Jeep has to go back to the shop, and I'm waiting on the tow truck to get here. Womp womp. I've had it, what, a day? Maybe 2. Okay, so it is well with my soul. I love the fact that this can be used year-round. So you'll, like I said, you've seen it in, honestly, since about this time last year. So I've had it in my Christmas collections, my spring collections, summer, all the time. And it's on my bed right now. So I don't know if you can see like the hand stitching on it. And then also what's kind of cute, just like a little fun little perk, is it comes with this sweet little card. Can you see? So you could even put something in there, or if you have, honestly, if this is a gift for somebody, so someone who's getting married or getting a new house or whatever, and you want to get this pillow, this card comes with it, which has Philippians 4:7 on it. And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds through Jesus Christ. What you could also do is add your own little note to it. How sweet would that be as a gift? I love that. Okay. I'm saving the throw for last, if you guys have noticed. So I thought this was also really sweet for anybody that is looking for baby shower gifts. It's another plush set, but you know the rings that all of our kids have? That's what it is, but it's plush. Look how cute that is. Oh, it's really soft too. Aw, isn't that cool? So I'm not pulling it all apart. You can to where, you know, they can do what they want. But then there's a little bear. What's this? A little moose. A little fox. So any woodlands themed nurseries, right up your alley. And it's, oh wait. Oh no, I thought it sank. It's kind of hard to read. Tiny, tall, sweet, and small, the Lord God made them all. Isn't that sweet? So again, that's gonna go in there. I love that thing. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. This is what everybody's been talking about. This is my first time to see it. I'm so excited. I want like 5 of them. Oh, I love it. And it also, is this a pocket? Oh no, it's just a hand stitch. Okay. So this matches the throw, and you can see it has the tassels too. Goes with the pillow. So this would be a really sweet set for a housewarming gift, wedding gift, just because gift, Christmas gift. So I really don't know how to explain it through the screen. I wasn't gonna unwrap it, but maybe I will. Because let's be honest, it's gonna go on my couch anyway. Definitely a good size. You can see kind of the ticking stripe on there. I will say I feel like it's more of a decorative, or honestly, okay, so if you're in the southern states, definitely warm. If you're in the more northern states, I would say maybe more decorative. Because can you see? Like it's hand stitched, but it's not super thick. So here, perfect. If you're wanting something a little more plush, I would say this is more of a decoration. But I am super excited about it because it's a timeless piece. And you guys know me, I love anything that is gray or tan or white. It's timeless. So there's that. You guys are all asking. I do have catalogs here. If you're in the area, I can bring them to the church or I can mail one to you. Definitely there's online shopping. And then of course, if you are a follower, you can always host your own. You don't have to live here, so you can host on Facebook. I can set you one up and you just tell your friends and we ship catalogs to you. I had a girl last year in California. We shipped catalogs to her and we literally did a Facebook Live and I just let her tour the house of all the things that I had and they loved it and they racked it up. We don't even have to do that. Like you can just have your own catalog show, however you want to do it. Or if you like it enough to where you're like, hey, I can make some extra cash on this Mary and Martha deal, then you can sign up too. And I will help you every step of the way. Yeah. I don't know where the tow truck went, but if you have any questions, put them here. Thanks.